am Kittu. This is my home. Isn't it huge? It has 100 rooms. Help me in painting some of the rooms. So this is Kittu's home. Each room is numbered 1, 2, 3 till 100. I start from room 2. I add 10 to reach 12 and paint it. So this Kittu is starting from room 2. See. So this is room 2. So this person wants to reach room 12. So he's just adding 2 to 10 to 2 to reach 12. So to add 10 to 2, we can go all the way to the right to 10. So to move from 2 to 10, he has to travel this way and then jump to 11 and then reach 12. This is one way to go to 12. Is there any shortcut? Of course, follow me. We can jump up one row. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking 10 steps. So you can instead of going this way, see, instead of going like this and then moving to 11 and then stepping right from 11 to 12, we can directly jump from 2 to 12. So now try one jump up from 14. So 14 plus 10 is 24. Color this room. How will I go from 22 to 41? Jump from 22 to 42. So first you can jump from 22 to 32 and then 32 to 42, and from 42 you can move one step left to reach 41. So how many steps did I go in all? So totally 3 steps. See, here I have given. So from here to here 1 step, from here to here 1 step, from here to here 3 steps. How could also go this way? From 22 to 21, 21 to 31, 31 to 41. Find my food. Try these on Kittu's home. So here I have something more interesting for you. Ma told me there are sweets to eat in some rooms. So this is about finding sweets in the room. So here they have given hint. We have to find the room and color. So 10 less than 34 is 24. What is less than means minus. You have to subtract from 34. So 34 minus 10 is 24. 53 minus 20 is 33. 11 more than 31, that is 31 plus 11 is 42. 11 less than 66. 66 minus 11 is 55. 62 plus 13 is 75. 23 less than 89 is 66. 10 and 40 more is 50. So you have to add 10 plus 40. 9 plus 28 is 37. The sum of 9 and 44 is 53. Reducing 98 by 34 gives 64. 4 and 37 more is 41. Take 35 away from 83, we get 48. So we are going to mark all those answers here. So whatever answers we got here, we have marked in this picture. Next, 47 equal to 37 plus 10. So 37 plus 9 is 46. 65 minus 30 is 35. 67 equal to 46 plus 21. 57 equal to, so 87 minus 30. So 66 minus 55 is 11. So what will be added to 9 to get 36 is 27. 65 plus 54 is 99. 49 plus 26 is 75. 56 minus 21 is 35. 40 plus 36 is 76. 98 equal to, so 50 when added with 48 you will be getting 98. So 57 minus 37 is 20. So this is easy. You can just subtract or add accordingly. Next, adding made easy. Anisha bought apples for 37 rupees. Raja bought bananas for 21 rupees. The woman selling fruit said 37 is 30 plus 7. 30 and 7. 21 is 20 and 1. So 37 and 21 makes 58. First two I can do. How did she add 37 and 21 so fast? So what she has done is, first she made tens altogether and ones. So first she added tens part. First she added 30 plus 20. So 30 plus 20 is 50. 7 plus 1 is 8. So 58. So let us try. Look at the sum. It's 26. Divide 26 as 20 plus 6. 43 as 40 plus 3. So first add 20 plus 40 and 6 plus 3. So 20 plus 40 is 60. 6 plus 3 is 9. So the answer is 69. Can you do it other way? Say how. So what you can do is this way. This is box method. So this is another method. Same method, but way of writing is different. So 33 can be divided as 30 plus 3. 56 can be divided as 50 plus 6. So 30 plus 50 is 80. 3 plus 6 is 9. So 80 plus 9 is 89. So here another sum, 37 plus 22. You can just have a try and you can check the answer. 37 plus 22 is 59. 73 plus 24 is 97. Next, here is also another example, 56 plus 21. So you can just add and check the answers. The answer is 77. Now work out the steps in your mind. So here we have added with steps. So here they have asked us to write it without any steps. So you can just guess the answer and check with steps if you want. 33 plus 42 is 75. 19 plus 61 is 80. 48 plus 42 is 90. 33 plus 27 is 60. 34 plus 63 is 97. 53 plus 64 is 117. 55 plus 25 is 80. 67 plus 25 is 92. 72 plus 56 is 128. Let me tell you a story. Once a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. He started crying and called out for his mother. An old deer took pity on him. He took him to his place. But the old deer got really scared, so did their other friends. So rabbits, squirrels and bird. A lion among us. Oh no, he will eat up our babies. The old deer said, don't worry, I will warn him about this. In the morning, the baby lion thanked everyone and started to leave. But a rabbit said, wait, he cannot go like this. Let us count to see if he has done any mischief. It went 240 in all. Let's count. So this is a story about lion and lion in the jungle. Lion has lost his way. So he just got help from the old deer. But those other animals doubted this baby lion. So it is counting. That rabbit is counting all the animals. So Tilu counted rabbits and deer. There were 27 rabbits, 48 deer. The old deer counted birds and squirrels. So there were 125 birds and 38 squirrels. So to add number of deer and rabbits is 48 plus 37 is, what is 48 plus 37? 48 plus 37 is 75. So again we'll add birds and squirrels. 124 plus 38, 162. So 162 plus 75 is how many? 237. So out of 240, this baby lion ate 3 animals. So 3 animals is missing. This is easy, isn't it?